And I see all the time at the back end of a messy divorce, something I want you to be aware of. Stay tuned for another great episode of The Practical Divorce Lawyer. Hey everybody, in case you're new here, I'm Jonathan Noble, divorce and family law attorney, licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And I want to talk about something that I see an awful lot in nasty divorce cases, especially high asset cases. Sometimes one of the parties will control the finances. Maybe they have a finance or accounting background, and the other person doesn't pay any attention to where all the money's going over the course of many years. They just know that they sign the tax returns and they kind of have an idea, but they don't know where the investments are. They don't know where the bank accounts are. They don't know anything, but they live well, so they don't ask any questions or think to dial in and say, hey, I'm working, you're working, we're making $500,000 a year between the two of us, but I don't know where all the extra money's going because our mortgage is like almost nothing and our cars are paid off, and where's everything going? And then 5, 10, 15, 20 years will go by and the marriage is on the rocks and they don't know where all this money went. That's a problem. What's the point of the video? Don't ever lose sight of the finances. Yeah, one person might be more financially savvy than the other one, but that doesn't mean that there's no accountability for all these years. Because at divorce, you're going to ask your divorce lawyer to claw back some of this money if they can find it. So I've seen shell games, I've seen money go out of the country. You can't imagine what I've seen. And people plan divorce for sometimes many, many years, and the money disappears. And it's expensive to claw it back and time consuming. So what's the point of the video? Stay active and interested in what's going on. And if your spouse or partner has an attitude like, what's the matter, you don't trust me? That's a good reason to not trust them. Everybody should be transparent, but you should take it upon yourself, if you're not doing it now, is to get involved and find out what's going on. Where's the money? And where are the investments? And what happens if you disappear? You should also have a separate account of your own, especially if you're working, so you're not at somebody else's mercy if things fall off the rails, and you can get away and you could take care of yourself. So here's the point of the video. Don't walk around blind, all right? Not everyone knows about finance or accounting or finances, but that doesn't mean you should have your head in the ground and just go along to get along, because I don't want you to be one of those people that come into a divorce lawyer's office and say, I don't know where anything is. That's not good. You're starting off way behind, and we don't want that, okay? Stay plugged in. An honest, loving partner won't mind at all right? They should want to share this information with you, and more importantly, you should want to know it. Like, comment, share this with somebody walking around blind who 10 years from now is going to say, where did all the money go? You don't want to be that person. Stay dialed in. Be careful out there.